The various kinds of assistance, help, in various ways, various forms. Government Olama, including state assistance variants. Opposition Olama, opposition.
Yes, where we are coming.
Madam Kukunami, Akbadada, words will never be enough to say a big thank you for Leo Yawanami. For Lilia Kawa, Natuanano, peace that prevail is one way of also thanking. And that is my duty, that is our duty and our responsibility. Nobio, Majabama Konu Tumatu, Nomia Ho Nama Jabama, Alaka Kulima, Yamayoka Kamia Bakia, and the Kukunami, I never know that we will give you. Nano or Glenula Miancho, Yamayo, Pama Yigamba, betrayed or never like that. Yes, and then just one more point. Madam Kukunami, Cemetery Ayimiala, Malolo, it's a very tiny little place. And behind Lenchi, there will always be the opportunity. Let me visit your gravestone. About Egba, Layon Didima, yeah, we just need the family. Not because of any special reason. It's just that I'm a fumata more. But we can do that from tomorrow onwards. You have Nesagomanami. It's Miga, Jonafia, Aklo, Aguado, Akrao, into the cemetery. Yes, sorry. Okay.
Jerry John Rollins.
For Dana, Okuaba, near at the home, like Fiago, Okomadaro, position. Much of Mahama, I'm Oppositional, CPPO, NDC, MPPO, Mikata, William Pop, Demian Chiaba, Minana Puma, Nayingo, yes, President 4, he had no Kakwe Moabe. It is the desire of most of us. It's a handling such a way. Now, yes, yeah, thank you. Baba biga komidolo. Yo.